Hey folks, day started on a mild note. We were down around 70 or so early. We'll look at the lows here in the next half hour, but here's where we are now. McAllen's 89 here, Westlake over 86. Same thing in Port Isabel. Harlingen 88 degrees at this hour. Our low temperatures tonight, not quite as cool as last night, but still below average for this time of year with just partly cloudy skies. Could be spotty showers. Tracking some activity offshore right now. They could sneak into a couple places, especially along the coast. And then tomorrow we're back in the low to mid 90s again, closer to the coast yard. The cooler you are. Northeast winds about 10 to 15. Western part of the valley probably in the mid 90s. The normal high is 96. Tomorrow we're 93, 95 Saturday, 96 degrees on Sunday. So we work our way back up to that 30-year average by the end of the 3-day forecast. Now Doppler network again shows spotty showers just to the southeast of us, and most of them should stay there, but we can't rule something out along the coast tonight into early tomorrow. Future track suggests during the daytime tomorrow. Again, you see spotty showers, nothing widespread through the daytime. It's just kind of a mix of clouds and sun. A breeze shower, thunder shower pops up, best chance near the coast, but again, about a 30% probability. Going to Saturday, isolated showers are possible again, and by Sunday, I think the chance of rain tapers off just a little bit more. Yes, there's some around, but a lot less activity. So we go 30, 20, and then mainly dry, so 10% chance or less by the time we get to Sunday. And that mainly dry stays with us into the early part of next week as well. Satellite and radar together again shows clouds overhead tonight, pushing back. A lot of clouds in the Gulf of Mexico, but nothing over Texas. And watch Future Track. Keeps the front down to the south of us for another day or so, kind of hangs out down there. Continues to be the focal point for shower development. And some of those could work their way up into the valley tomorrow. Saturday, the front finally pushes back to the north as a warm front. We could say goodbye to our very unseasonable front. It's back to the north where it should be, and we warm back up, but still spotty showers along the coast. By Sunday, the front washes out. Most of the showers wash out with it. Whatever's left should stay north of us. Maybe something on the sea breeze. Probably not much more than that. By the time you get to Monday, we don't see much around, but again, enough moisture for maybe an isolated shower. Hurricane Center now says nothing to see here where this old front was. They had a 10% chance of that developing into a tropical cyclone over the course of the next 5 days. They had that yesterday, and today they're saying, nope, we don't see it. A lot of shear, so there's nothing to see there other than a bunch of clouds. If you're headed to the coast, winds out of the northeast, then eventually out of the east to 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop on the bay. UV is extreme. Operators of small craft urged to use caution out in the open Gulf waters. There's a moderate risk of rip currents there. The tides for tomorrow, a high at 3:35 in the morning and a low at 5:08 tomorrow evening. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy. Can't rule out a shower. 72 for a low. Northeast winds, a little bit of a northerly component there, 5 to 10. That same wind tomorrow, about 5 to 10 miles an hour, a high of 93. A 30% chance for a shower, thunder shower tomorrow. 20 Saturday, mainly dry Sunday and beyond. By the time you get to Wednesday, Thursday, I think we should be dry by then. And with that, temperatures go up another degree or two, back above average by the middle of next week. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.